Welcome to Sea Lake Journeys. Today, come with us on Embarkation Day on the Margaritaville at Sea Islander, sailing out of the port of Tampa. You can feel the energy immediately as soon as we get there. Everyone is having fun. They've got the entertainment crew out there pumping up the vibes. And they stayed pumped up and excited like this throughout the cruise. When you're coming to embark on the Islander, be sure to come at your time that was picked for you. If you come earlier, you're going to have to wait in a great big giant line. And a big shout out to Chow from the Fins Up crew. He was instrumental all week in keeping things energized and fun. I'm getting excited already and haven't even had my first margarita yet. But I gotta tell you, the Fins Up crew here, they will make you feel welcome. You want a selfie with them? They'll do it. You want your picture taken by them? They'll do it. You want to meet them? Absolutely, they'll meet you. Great people.
So when you board the ship, everyone that's over the age of 21 gets a welcome aboard margarita. And this is the like the Havana bar. Get what the name of it. Forget what the name of it is. Daydreaming bar, I think it is. And then you sign in for the mustard station. And they are doing it up with the margaritas, and then you check in with your mustard station.
Hello, welcome on board.
Okay, what you got there?
I've got the cheeseburger from Paradise here on the Margaritaville Islander. So it's Embarkation Day. I thought I'd go give it a try since the line was not long at all. And it's good. You can get it with everything on it like I did, with lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, and onions, and their special Margaritaville secret sauce. It's good. But is it the best burger at sea? Nah. But it is really good. I'll have another one before I leave. Okay, Robin from Sea Lake Journeys, what have you got?
Okay, Sea Lake Journey crew, I am so excited because they had so many gluten-free options. It was ridiculous, right? So I got a little bit of salad, but they had this stuffed cabbage roll and chicken. It's a chicken thigh that I got, and cabbage, stir-fried cabbage. And it doesn't look like stir-fried, it looks like fried. And I looked at it really close, and I was like, that looks like, you know how you'll get fried onion rings and stuff? I'm like, that's not going to be gluten-free. So I made sure I asked. He says, no ma'am, it's gluten-free. So let's try this is the fried cabbage. Oh, oh my gosh. That's so good. It is crunchy. It's like eating onion rings because it's onions and cabbage and carrots. Deep fried. Man, is that good. That's as close as a gluten-free person could get to onion rings. Okay. Now let's try the stuffed roll. Because listen, looking at the description of it, in Florida we would call this a stuffed cabbage. It's got huge bay leaves in it. Not as excited about it. I don't care for the meat that's inside of it. I don't know what the meat is inside of it, but I don't care for the meat. Let's go with the steamed vegetables. How can you mess up steamed vegetables? Okay. This is the chicken. I think they called it chipotle barbecue chicken. So it's a chicken thigh. It was legs and thighs is what it was. It has a strong chipotle taste. But I'm going to tell you, of all the things on this plate, the thing that I'm most excited about are those fried onions and fried cabbage.
Okay,
I'm pretty excited. They had not one, but 2 cakes on the buffet that's gluten-free.
Really?
Yes, they had the key lime cake and the chocolate layer cake. Both are gluten-free. I'm excited about this, people.
No way.
Yes way. The key lime? That's gotta be my new favorite dessert. Let's try this chocolate. I wouldn't get the chocolate again, but this key lime, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now Chet from Sea Lake Journeys always tries my gluten-free things so that he can tell me what his opinion of it is. Because being gluten-free, I have no choice. I'm just decided that I got something, right? So we're gonna see what his opinion is of the gluten-free desserts.
Well, I'm a chocolate guy, so I'm gonna start with the chocolate.
Push it a little bit closer to you. There you go.
It's pretty good. I wouldn't know it was gluten-free, honestly. As far as I know, it's just a regular piece of cake. That's what I think of that. Now let's try the
Key lime pie cake.
key lime pie cake. Yeah, looks good. Mmm. Wow, that's really good. You never guess that's gluten-free.
It's smooth and creamy, isn't it?
All you gluten-free people out there, like you said, always try them. I'd be scared. I'd be like, you need to go double check this. Neither one of these seem gluten-free to me.
Okay, now try your chicken cookie, because Chet is a chocolate chip cookie connoisseur.
Mmm. Wow. That may be the best chocolate chip cookie I've ever had at sea.
Really?
I'm not kidding.
Beats Princess's? Because you love Princess chocolate chip cookies.
This is better.
Really? Well, Margaritaville just took the prize for the best chocolate chip cookie at sea.
Wow. After eating, we decided to work on our second Margaritaville. As you can see from Robin from Sea Lake Journeys here, dancing in the Atrium. And there's the big old flip-flop that everybody's going to get their picture taken in front of. And yes, they do have a photographer there to take your picture. Now these pictures, of course, we took ourselves. Just being silly. Thanks to those margaritas we got. But the Atrium here is a fantastic hub of activities. There'll be live music here. There'll be other activities here. We had a great Memorial Day event that went on here, and Dave, the cruise director, did a fantastic job. The violin player you see up there at the flip-flop bar, she was very popular. After that second margarita, we went ahead to our cabin to check it out. Sailaway day here on the Margaritaville Islander, and this is the view from our window here in our cabin.
It's a great window view.
It is. It really is a good window. But I'll tell you what, it's hot. We're going to close these curtains because it is doggone hot sitting here by this here window. Well, as you can see, the ship is sailing away. So we're going to give you a fast forward look of what it's like to go under the Skyway Bridge if you're in your cabin with a window room. Embarkation Day was so much fun on the Margaritaville at Sea Islander. In fact, we want to book that ship again. Hopefully we'll see you there. We are Sea Lake Journeys. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And check out some more of our videos, shorts, and live streams. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.